Nah, hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. So this video is an attempt to try to make this wig, look good. So this is what happened with this hair. So I ordered deep wave hair from Unice. It's in my Unice yay or nay video. So what had happened was I was gonna do an IV U-part wig, and then I tried to turn this into a closure, but the closure didn't match the same, like the texture of the closure didn't match the texture of the hair. I had this wig for like so long, but because this is looking like this, I'm like, ugh, I'm not putting this on. That's why this piece is still here and everything. So we're gonna attempt to make this wig look, presentable. That's what we attempting to do. So let's try to get this party started. It's giving me Caesar, whatever the lady name is. No. So what we're gonna start off doing is so I'm gonna try to bring this. I have a spray bottle. I think what's in here. Let me smell it, because I'm not really sure. This is like mad different conditioners, because I don't think this is, this is not one conditioner. This is a couple of them. Ooh, this is definitely like a couple of deep conditioners. Oh, and I tried to straighten this hair too. I tried to straighten it, but it did not work out. It's deep wave. It definitely, and I'm gonna use a Denman brush. It definitely did not work out. Definitely did not work out. Oh, so it detangles easy. I don't know if it's my little concoction or if it's the hair, but you know. Y'all gonna see the difference in the hair. Y'all gonna see the difference in the damn closure. I'm not gonna cut this until I realize I could really do something with this wig. That's why I didn't cut it from the jump. Okay. I don't even know why I'm laughing. I really don't. This piece of hair is irritating me. Like, that ever happened to y'all? It's like a piece of hair and it's just bothering you. That's what that just did. Well, that's over there doing. This hair reverts really quick. I think I need to give Unice this little concoction. Only if I knew who was really in here though. I'm weak. I'm not gonna drench it, because I don't really want it to be drenched. Nah, I'm saying. What Cardi B? What Cardi B do? That's what I was trying to do, but I failed terribly. Yes, I failed terribly. Angles. Oh, I think I'm getting nervous. Why am I getting nervous? I just be chatting, honestly. Cause what can I really be getting nervous for? Like, oh, if this wig work, if it work. Cause if it works, new wig's popping out with this wig. Like, hello, new wig, new me. That's the problem. Y'all see the difference. Y'all see how it's like. Y'all probably can't really see it on here though. Like with this wig, it made me feel like, you know how when you have leave out, that's what it made me feel like I had a bad leave out. Like, that's the reason that I actually went. That's the reason that I actually ordered the closure. That's because I'm like, all right, shit is like a bad, like, my leave out is bad. That's what it was. See, look at this. It's legit like a bad leave out. Let me run, get some bobby pins. Look at this hair. See, this hair would have been so good, like, so damn good, only if the closure was good. Like, let's see what we could mess around and do. First of all, let's fix this. That's number one, cause that gotta get what's that called? That gotta get cut if I really decide this is gonna work. Oh, this gotta be fixed. This definitely gotta be fixed. Y'all know how people, y'all know that little trendy style where you put a little damn bobby pins. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do with this damn wig. So I get it fixed and go hide it. Oh, that shit is not hiding at all. It is not trying to hide. Like, it is not trying to hide. That's what we need to do. We need to try to braid this shit. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, for real. I don't know what I'm doing. Yo, this wig could be so cute. Like, it got the potential. It just need the rest. Whatever the rest is. Like, you know what I mean? But you know, whatever way I get this wig to work, it gotta stay like that. Like, definitely it has to stay like that. First of all, this braid looks disgusting. Like, disgusting. So now we're gonna put it like where the weird hair. We're gonna put it where the messed up closure ends. Right? That's smart. Is that smart? No, because who's telling me what now? Who's telling me what? I'm weak. So it actually could almost work. See, if I braid it and everything, it'll pick up the texture, and then it could work. Like, look at it. Maybe I'll do that if I don't want to. Yeah, maybe if I don't want to keep the braids, I could do that. But for now, the braids is a part of the look. But I could do the braids a little better. But I'm not going to right now because I'm not going anywhere. Because I really don't care too much. Like, I don't care too much how these braids look. Y'all need to find something that keeps the wet look with this. Because I like the wet look. Oh, and then what we gonna do? We spicing this up. We spicing this all the way up just to make the look better. I hate saying the word. I gotta fix stuff there. I'll use like a scarf or something. But like I said, for the sake of this video, well, I'm not doing this. The point of this video wasn't really like, oh, this is a look. The point of this video was like, alright, sit with me while I try to make this wig look like something. While I try to bring this wig back to life, like, you feel me? We're gonna just add that. Basically, who's telling me what? That's what I'm saying. Who's telling me what? First of all, I'm about to cut this lace. This is about to be my new wig. All I need to do is fix the top of this. Definitely, I need to fix the top of this. And we back in business. We in full effect. Okay? Did you hear me? I'm not gonna. Should I cut this lace off right now? I mean, I gotta buy some scissors. I'm gonna cut this lace off camera. Then I'll be back to you. Okay. So I'm back. Hello, wait. How you do this ends? Now I'm really weak, so I didn't really lay this down. I just focus. I didn't lay it down. I just cut that piece off, and I tried to make my baby hairs look presentable. And girl, call me the garbage wig slayer because nah, but look at this though. Look at this. Look at this. How we go from that to this? Like, but I think I found my new wig. Definitely. I definitely found my new wig. Like, you hear me? Nah. You probably could see this shit. You probably could definitely see it a little. Alright. Now you can. But we need to lay this down some. We need to lay this down. I think I'm gonna make some baby hairs on this too. Like, yeah, some baby hairs on this would do it good. Like, yeah, definitely some baby hairs on this would seal the deal. Okay? Baby hairs on this would definitely seal the deal. Like, it was a deal. But that's the end of this video. Yes, that's the end of this video. If you got tips on how to make it like stay looking wet, swing them. Swing them. Maybe gel could do it. I'm not sure. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you got a bad wig, send that to me. No, I'm joking. Nah, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And hit that notification bell because, you know, I'm here every Sunday, 4 p.m. Even though I don't be getting no views anymore. Like, when I was going and not uploading, it's like y'all wanted to watch me more. But then when I started oh, that's what it is. I'm just uploading trash. Burns. No, let me stop.